What's up, loves? It's your girl K Love, and I am back with a new video. I am doing an apartment tour number 2 for you guys, and I want to give you guys an insight on the amenities in my apartment and what they offer besides just your apartment. And I'm bringing you guys along with me, so stay tuned. So right now, I'm going to be taking you guys on over to my gym and show you guys where I be working out at sometimes, because like I told you guys, I'm not consistent like I used to be. So we're heading over there now. Now I'm in my garage area. I am so grateful and thankful for a garage, because it be times where it's raining outside, pouring down, and I come right in my garage, go straight to my apartment. So I'll show you guys the gym. And yeah, I'm going to get in. We have a bathroom in the gym. Also, you guys, the gym is 24 hours, so we have 24-hour access to the gym. They also provide mats for us and some coolers for drinks, yoga balls. And I've always seen the women come in here and clean this gym. It's not one day I don't see them cleaning up, which is really, really good. Just came from the gym, so the double door right here, and then you can go straight in to the lounging area. More space here. Very clean, peaceful. You can come down here, drink your coffee, tea, just relax if you just want to get out your apartment. Then we have a TV right here. Nice little fireplace. When we had the pool party, this area was this is the area they used to set up for the food and stuff. Now we are heading to our pool. Is my favorite part. Not that deep. It only goes up to, I believe, 5 feet. So yeah, it's not that deep. So this is the leasing office, but they're closed. They close pretty early, so I'm not surprised, but that's the leasing office. It's really nice in there. I'll probably get to show you guys another time, but it's just like any regular leasing office. Then we have a delivery system for packaging. They used to have it set up in the actual leasing office where you come pick it up, but now they have this system, which is very convenient because, like I said before, the leasing office closed pretty early and people aren't been able to get their packages, so that's why they have that now. And it's really simple. It's really simple to use, so I actually like it. This is one of the mail rooms we have. This is not my mail room, but I'm on the other side of the building. It's two different buildings, and this is the mail room number 1. I'm mail room number 2. Now we are entering the theater. And guys, I've never used this room before, but I'm pretty sure you can connect your device to a plug. I remember she told me, and you can come down here and watch your movies, and it's 24-hour access, and it's pretty simple to use, but I've never used it. But I'll definitely use it one day. Probably when it starts getting cold outside and I just want to come down and watch a movie with the kids on a big screen. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I haven't used it yet, and I haven't really seen anybody in here, but now we are heading to the courtyard. So far, I really like my apartments. You know, it's different from what I'm used to, because what I'm used to is really cheap apartments where the landlord don't give a shit about you and your apartment. And I knew when I moved this time around that I was not settling for that at all. So I really actually enjoyed my place, and I love the style of the apartment. And you know, also they have storage units. You can store your stuff in there, and of course it's an additional fee. So I take the stairs a lot. It's like pointless of even taking an elevator. But right now I'm about to show you guys the courtyard. Well, that's a no-no. See that? Courtyard is off access for whatever reason. I've been down there a couple of times, and it's really nice, especially when they have the water fountain on. It's so beautiful, but I'll show you guys next time. But since I'm not able to show you guys the courtyard, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we have across the street, which is absolutely amazing. They've been working on the roofs, so it's like a lot of construction going on, and it's a beautiful day out today. But what I'm about to show you guys is a lake that we have. People go jogging here all the time, and to get the workout in or just to enjoy the lake and feed the ducks and stuff is so nice. I've been out here a few times, and I've taken my kids to the park over here as well, but I don't come over here that much like I want to because I'm always working. It's only a minute walking distance. There go the apartments right there. They do the paddle boat sometimes, but I honestly have not seen it in a while. But I do know that they do the paddle boat when it's enough people, I guess, to have somebody out. Pretty much it for the lake. They also had an event there for the 4th of July. They held fireworks over there. They've had summer events for the kids with move ounces and stuff like that. And the apartment complex offered these benches for, you know, just a seating area. And yeah, so far I like all the amenities that they have. Again, like I said, I've came from apartment complexes where they offer nothing. Like, they offer trash and they charge you a lot, you know. So it was an apartment I was paying way more for than this. And they ain't offer nothing. Like, I'm paying less and I'm getting all these amenities, you know. I try to use it to my advantage because I don't know if I'm gonna be moving or not when my lease is up, but my kids love the pool because it's only 6 feet, so it's not like scary to them, especially Michaela. Oh my gosh, she loves it. Pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you loves in my next video. Bye, love.